everyone, I'm going to be showing you my suite for the next 3 days for the World Travel Market. I'm staying at the Britannia International Hotel. Check this out. Staying at the Britannia International Hotel overlooking Canary Wharf.